coming at you. Did a cruise last week. I bought a suction mount that didn't work out. So basically, I'm gonna do a walkthrough, install a new suction mount that I just purchased. I got it off of Amazon. First I went with the Delkin Geiko 5 suction mount, and it wasn't strong enough to hold my camera. I met a few guys that had the same mount at the cruise, but they also had GoPros, and I have an Insta360, so go with this off of Amazon. Slide in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7-piece mount. Only need 6 other pieces. So basically what I'm gonna do a live video of me installing it. First, before anything, find your area that you want to install it on and clean it. You want to make sure it's free of dirt. Once you got that clean, line it up. I'm gonna put this to the side, but you want to line your mounts up. Directly in the middle. Get all the pieces you need. So I'm lined up straight with my antenna. I got my other pieces. Actually, this is an extra piece, so I said it was 7 or 6, so it's an 8-piece. This twists in to the invisible selfie stick. The selfie stick extends. Each part that extends out, you twist it and it locks to hold it into place. Sorry about that. So go ahead and get this started. Ball joint on the end, just tighten that to hold it in place just a little bit. Get it how you want. Actually, that's wrong. I'm sorry. I'm gonna take this and put this on the back. And this is gonna hold the selfie stick. And again, I haven't locked nothing in place because we're gonna be making adjustments. So take that. That's a ball. That's for ball joints on both sides. So you can see that side angle. And again, nothing's locked in place right now because we're still making adjustments. So we'll take this. This holds the selfie stick. Loosen it so they can open up. I'm gonna turn the car off so you can hear me. So then put that. Lock your selfie stick in place. And again, depending how high you want your stick, you adjust that and move it, and course. So I'm gonna pick this up. Nothing's locked in place, so I can just move it down right here. And I'm gonna slide this up because I want my stick higher. Open up. That drops in. And again, like I said, I want everything lined up in the middle, so I'm gonna move that right there. Twist to lock that stick in. And then as you twist, it locks the top and the bottom end. Everything should be lined up. If it's not, loosen and adjust accordingly. Right there. So I'm going to lock in at the top, then lock in at the bottom. Tight, it's not moving. And then with your suctions, you want to press, and as you can see, it says on and off. So right now it's off. So with your suctions, you want to press in the middle, take your other hand and turn that knob from on to off, and it locks in place. There you go, it's locked in solid. Other side, press down the middle, go from on to off. Once it locks in place, it clicks. Do the top, press in the middle, go from on to off. Locked in place. Once it locks in, check it, press in the middle, on to off. It pops. Once it pops in place, check it. Same at the very top, on to off, press in the middle, and it's locked in place. So now I got my suction cup installed, and as you see, I'm pulling hard. It's not moving. The same with the back. It's locked in place. And then, as I said, with this, it comes with an invisible selfie stick. So hold on. One, two, three, four, five. Well, actually, four. They all move, so you can extend them to your liking. Here we go. So now I'm having problems with this one, but let me put this down and see how it goes. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4 stages. To the left, it loosens them, and then to the right, it locks them in place. So you have a secure, invisible selfie stick. As long as you tighten it up, shouldn't have nothing to worry about. And as you can see, it's all the way out. I'm not going to be using it that far, so I'll put this back in, and I'll be about right there. Again, new suction cup installed. It's solid. I'm rocking. It won't pull up. 4 different stages, and as I said, you turn to the left, it loosens, extends, to the right, it locks. So you got verbal stages. Good. So I'm gonna ride around the neighborhood, test this out, see how this goes. Like, comment, subscribe.